So let's talk about the 12 tribes listed in the book of Revelation, which also encompasses the whole doctrine surrounding the 144,000. Revelation chapter 7, verse 4, where in verse 5, the sons are beginning to be enumerated. We got Judah, Reuben, Asher, Naphtali, etc., etc. Out of every tribe of the sons of Israel. Okay? However, we have a problem because Dan, Gad, and Simeon are not in this list. So 33% of the sons of Israel are not even listed in every tribe of the sons of Israel, which should be a red flag. Okay? And if you want to see who the sons of Israel are, they're enumerated in Genesis chapter 49, verses 2 through 28, Ezekiel chapter 48, verses 29 through 34, and Numbers 13, 3 through 16, minus Levi here. Okay? So the big question is not only why is Dan excluded here, because if you search Google, why are Dan, Gad, and Simeon not included in the 144,000? All of these articles only talk about Dan missing. Dan missing, Dan missing, Dan missing. But 3 of the tribes are missing. Not to mention, Manasseh, who is the son of Joseph, is added here. And we know that Jacob adopted both Ephraim and Manasseh. Genesis chapter 48, verse 20, where we actually see that he placed Ephraim before Manasseh, which begs the question, why is Ephraim not listed at all and only Manasseh? Very spurious. And also, some quote Genesis 49:16 saying, well, Dan is excluded because of this verse here, but adjudicate here means to execute right. It's a judicial seat. So Dan will adjudicate his people as only one of the tribes of Israel. But this doesn't make sense. This doesn't mean that he should be excluded from the list of the sons of Israel, where again, Gad and Simeon are also excluded. Where Manasseh is added, where if we're going to make the argument that Jacob adopted Manasseh as a son, well, he also adopted Ephraim, who was placed first. So it doesn't add up. Just one more reason to deem that the book of the Apocalypse is not what it purports to be.